Hey guys, welcome back. Ring Still TV. Listen, for those of you guys that don't know, I'm in the Midwest. Today is March 19th. I thought I'd just do a super quick video. So I'm in here just working on stuff for you guys and reloading and whatnot and guns. And we got a full-on blizzard going on outside, so I thought I'd just post a quick video for those of you who haven't seen one. We're kind of protected right here. My shop is right here, but as soon as we go out here, it's blowing like 50 miles an hour. Here we go. So anyway, it's kind of ugly out here. No electricity right now, so just running off generator power. But for those of my friends that are in different parts of the U.S., Texas, and Florida, I thought you'd get a kick out of that. So anyway, just super quick video.